Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome to another session of learning through quizzes. And today's quiz is about conditionals. So let's dive in. This test what you learn on our conditionals lesson. Number 1, what would you do if it blank on your wedding day? A, rained. B, will rain. C, would rain. Answer is letter A, rained. Number 2, if she comes, I blank call you. A, will. B, would. C, would have. Answer is letter A, will. Number 3, if I eat peanut butter, I blank sick. A, would have gotten. B, would get. C, get. Answer is letter C, I get sick. Number 4, what will you do if you blank the history exam? A, would fail. B, will fail. C, fail. Answer is letter C, failed. Number 5, if they had not blanked the car, I would have driven you. A, take. B, taken. C, would take. Answer is letter B, taken. Number 6, if it snows, blank, still drive to the coast? A, will you? B, would you? C, would you have? Answer is letter A, will you? Number 7, he would have gone with you if you had asked him. Which conditional is this? A, first. B, second. C, third. Answer is letter C, third conditional. Number 8, if I won $1 million, I would buy my own airplane. Which conditional is this? A, zero. B, first. C, second. Answer is letter C, second conditional. Number 9, if I forget her birthday and Julia gets upset, which conditional is this? A, zero. B, first. C, second. Answer is letter A, zero conditional. And number 10, last item. What will she do if she misses the bus? Which conditional is this? A, first. B, second. C, third. Answer is letter A, first conditional. All right, that's all for the quiz. Share your score in the comments below and let us know how you did. Thank you for practicing through quizzes with English Tutor Hub official channel. Informal contractions quiz. So let's dive in. This test what you learned on your informal contractions lesson. Number 1, we only use informal contractions when blank casually. A, reading. B, writing. C, speaking. Answer is letter C. We only use informal contractions when speaking casually. Number 2, you can use informal contractions if you're A, at a business meeting. B, in a job interview. C, with your friends. Answer, it's letter C. You can use informal contractions if you're with your friends. Number 3, how is the informal contraction of going to usually written? A, gone to. B, gonna to. C, gonna. Answer its letter C, gonna. Number 4, the contraction watcha is often used as the start of A, question. B, an answer. C, a statement. Answer its letter A. The contraction "Whatcha" is often used at the start of a question. Number 5. How is the informal contraction of "What are you going to do" written? A. What you gotta do. B. What you gonna do. C. What do you gonna do? Answer is letter B. How is the informal contraction of "What are you going to do" written? What you gonna do? All right. Number 6. Which is the shortest common contraction of "Do you wanna go" or "Do you want to go"? A. Do you wanna go? B. You wanna go? C. Wanna go? Answer is letter C. Which is the shortest common contraction of "Do you want to go"? It's "wanna go." Number 7. The policeman held him down. So the boy yelled, "Blank go." A. Lemmy. B. Gonna. C. Gimme. Answer is letter A. The policeman held him down. So the boy yelled, "Let me go." Number 8. After being jailed for something he didn't do, the boy said, A. It ain't wrong. B. It ain't right. C. It's kinda right. Answer is letter B. After being jailed for something he didn't do, the boy said, "It ain't right." Number 9. Donnie hadn't given me a donut. So I said, "Ain't ya blank blank one?" A. Gonna gimme. B. Wanna lemme. C. Gonna wanna. Answer is letter A. Donnie hadn't given me a donut. So I said, "Gonna give me one." Number 10, last item. Should informal contractions be used when writing essays and doing exams? A. Yes. B. No. C. Kinda. Answer is letter B. It's a big no. Should informal contractions be used when writing essays and doing exams? It's a no. That's all for this exercise about informal contractions. Let us know how you did in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel English Tutor Hub.